Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about Mathematics Paper 1A model question paper which is given by the Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education. Model paper is given. Further, all the solutions in the model paper I am going to explain in section wise. All the three videos, section A, section B, section C, and all together also I'll keep one video for the convenience. Let us have a discussion. The first question, in section A we have 15 questions. Any 10 you can write it in the examination, any 10. They will give more choice is given. Don't worry dear students, we will get it 100% good marks in the coming examinations. Wish you all the best. We'll move to the question number 1. If A equal to set of all 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and F is defining from A to B is a surjection defined by f of x equal to cos x, then find B. So A is given, that means domain is given. They are asking to calculate B, that means image. So range indirectly they are asking. So simple steps we need to write in the answers. Why? Because 2 marks only, no? So what is the question here? In the solution step, given A equal to 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2 and F is defining from A to B is a surjection. Is a surjection. Surjection means onto. Defined by f of x is equal to cos x. So they are asking B value, no? So B is equal to, whenever f of x is onto or surjection, B is equal to f of A. That is the meaning. That is also equal to f of A means in the set A, what are the elements are there? 0, pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, pi by 2. So f of A equal to f of 0, f of pi by 6, f of pi by 4, f of pi by 3, f of pi by 2. So one by one we will calculate. What is f of x here? F of x is cos x. So f of 0 means cos 0. F of pi by 6, cos pi by 6. F of pi by 4, cos pi by 4. F of pi by 3, cos pi by 3. F of pi by 2, cos pi by 2. Cos 0 value 1. Cos pi by 6. Pi by 6 means what? 30 degrees. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos pi by 4. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 3, 60 degrees, 1 by 2. Next, cos 90. Cos pi by 2 means cos 90 is 0. So therefore, the value of B is equal to, this is the required set. I hope you understand, dear students. We will move on to the next question. So find the domain of the real valued function f of x equal to 1 by log of 2 minus x. So we know that the domain of 1 by log f of x, whenever the log f of x is in the denominator, log f of x is in denominator, the function should, first we need to write 1 by log f of x defined when f of x should be greater than 0 and f of x should not be equal to 1. Sir, why sir f of x is not equal to 1? Suppose if f of x equal to 1, log 1 0, anything by 0 is infinity, we cannot define. Domain means we need to calculate for what values of the function is it is defining. So f of x is greater than 0. Similarly, 1 by log 2 minus x defined when f of x value is what? 2 minus x now. 2 minus x is greater than 0 and 2 minus x is not equal to 1. This is the way you can write it. After that, 2 minus x is greater than 0 means 2 is greater than x and minus x is not equal to 1 minus 2. Minus x is not equal to minus 1. So, x is not equal to 1. So, x is not equal to 1, we got it. Next, 2 is greater than x, that implies that x is less than 2. X is less than 2 means, just I will draw the real number line. This is minus infinity and this is plus infinity. Here the number 2 is there. This is 2, this is 1. X is less than 2, that means from here to here. In this, x is not equal to 1. In this interval, 2, 1 minute. The places I was changed little bit. Here 1, here 2. So, x is less than 2 means from minus infinity to 2. In this interval, x is not equal to 1. So, not equal to 1 means like this way, x is not equal to 1. So, x belongs to open interval of minus infinity to 1, union 1 to 2, we can write it. Otherwise, we can write it as x belongs to, x is less than 2 means open interval of minus infinity to 2. In this interval, 1 is not there. So, deleted neighborhood, that means 1 is not there. Otherwise, we can write like this also, in this interval, or someone will represent like this, x belongs to open interval of minus infinity to 2 / 1. Both the meaning is same. Or otherwise, open interval of minus infinity to 1, 1 to 2 also we can write it. I hope you understand, dear students. This is the way you can give the answer. Keep in mind whatever the procedure is there, 1 by log f of x defined only when f of x is greater than 0 and f of x should not be equal to 1. Based on that, we will move to the question number 3. The next question number 3, if a equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5 and b equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1, then find a plus b. So, here the sum of the matrix they are asking, matrices. So, first step, just you have to write that given matrices or something, given that simply a is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5 and b equal to 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1. So, therefore, they are asking the sum of these matrix a plus b equal to. So, corresponding elements you have to add in both the matrix. 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5, 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1, which is equal to. So, corresponding elements you have to add 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, minus 1 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 8 minus 4, 8 plus into minus is minus, that is why 5 minus 1. So, which is equal to 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 is 3, minus 1 plus 1 0, 7 plus 2 9, 8 minus 4 4, 5 minus 1 4. Therefore, A plus B is equal to. So once again, just corresponding elements you have to add. To add or subtract or multiplying, what is the procedure? The order should be same. How many rows are there in this? 2 rows are there, 3 columns are there. Here also 2 rows are there, 3 columns are there. So then only the matrix addition is possible. Rows and column, the order of both the matrices is same. Then only addition and subtraction will be possible. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the question number 4. If A equal to I0, 0, I, 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows are there, 2 columns are there. They are asking to find A square. So first step is given matrix or simply given A equal to I0, 0, I. So A square they are asking. So A square means what? A into A. A is I0, 0, I into I0, 0, I. So when the multiplication is possible, the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in second matrix. Then only the multiplication is possible. So I into I square, 0 into 0 plus 0. Next I into 0, 0. Next I 0 into I, 0. Next I into 0, 0. I into 0, 0. Next 0 into 0, 0. I into I square. So which is equal to I square, 0, 0, I square. So I square, we know that I square is equal to minus 1. I is representing as iota, which we will study in the second year. So I square value minus 1 means minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1. If you take common minus 1, 0, 0, 1. Still if you want to write, they are asking only find A square. Till you can stop it here. If they are asking to prove A square equal to minus I, means this is 2 by 2 identity matrix. You can write as I. Otherwise you can leave it like this. If you want, you can write it like this also. Minus, this is identity matrix of 2 by 2, I. We'll move to the question number 5. In this question number 5, given matrix A equal to 2, minus 4, minus 5, 3. In this question, A plus A transpose and A into A transpose. Whenever A is there, that implies that the transpose of the matrix is denoted by A dash or A power T. So interchanging of rows and columns is a transpose of a matrix. So first row will become first column. 2 minus 4 will become here. Next minus 5 3 will becomes second column. Minus 5 3. After that, sum of these matrices A plus A dash, that is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 3 plus 2 minus 5 minus 4 3, that is equal to sum of the matrices 2 plus 2 minus 4 minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 minus 3 minus 3 3 plus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 9 minus 9 6. This is about A plus A dash. Next, A into A dash they are asking. A into A dash. So A value is 2 minus 4 minus 5 3 into A dash, the transpose of a matrix. So 2 minus 5 minus 4 3. So we know that how to multiply these. 2 into 2 4 plus 16, 2 into minus 5 minus 10, minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Next 5 into 2 minus 5 into 2 minus 10, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, minus 5 into minus 5 25, 3 into 3 9. So which is equal to 20 minus 22 minus 22 34. Therefore A dash is equal to 20 minus 22 minus 22 34, and A plus A dash is already here over. I hope you understand it, students. We'll move on to the question number 6. If A equal to 2 4 minus 1k and A square equal to 0, 0 means here null matrix of order 2. Here this order is 2 by 2, no? So I also will consider as 2 by 2 matrix, 0 matrix or null matrix. Then find k. So first, given A is equal to 2 4 minus 1k, then A square equal to 0. First A square calculate. A square equal to A into A. So 2 4 minus 1k, 2 4 minus 1k. So you can multiply 2 2s are 4 like previous problem. 4 into minus 1. Next 2 4s are 8. 4 into k, 4k. Next minus 1 into 2 minus k. Next minus 1 into 4 minus 4. So k into k, k square. So this is about A square is equal to 0, 8 plus 4k minus 2 minus k minus 4 plus k square. Since A square is equal to 0 null matrix, 0 means here 2 by 2 of null matrix, that means 0 0 0 0. So that is A square value is what here? 0, 8 plus 4k minus 2 minus k minus 4 plus k square. So corresponding elements we need to equate to get the value of k. Two matrices are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal. Any one of them we can do, not compulsory to do all. So 8 plus 4k is equal to 0. That implies that 4k is equal to minus 8. K is equal to minus 8 by 4. So k is equal to minus 2. That's all. I hope everyone understands, students. The question, which is very important, we may expect this type of question in the coming exams. Yeah, we'll enter into the question number 7. If A bar equal to 2i plus 5j plus k plus B bar equal to 4i plus mj plus nk are collinear, then find m and n. Then find m and n. So first step you have to write it as given vectors. So simple steps. Given vectors. So first one is A bar equal to 2i plus 5j plus k and B bar equal to 4i plus mj plus nk. Before that, we need to know one important point regarding collinear vectors. See here, a bar equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k, comma, b bar equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k are collinear vectors, then we have a1 by b1 is equal to a2 by b2 is equal to a3 by b3. Suppose the vector they are taking as a1i plus b1j plus c1k and a2j plus b2j plus c2k, that time a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. According to my assumption, I am writing here. According to your convenience, you write it, dear students. I hope you understand. Since a bar and b bar are collinear, then, so here from first vector a1 is what? 2. So 2 by 4, which is equal to I bar coefficients are in proportional, j bar coefficients are in proportional, 5 by m is equal to k bar coefficient 1 by n. That implies that 2 by 4 means what? 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by m is equal to 1 by n. Equating these two. So that implies that 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by m. Cross multiplication, m is equal to 10. Similarly, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by n. That implies that cross multiplication, n is equal to 2. So therefore, the values of m and n are 10 and 2. That's all. They are asking to calculate the values of m and n. Yeah. Now we will move to the question number 8. Find the vector equation of line passing through the point 2i plus 3j plus k and parallel to the vector. So in this solution, first given vectors, among that we need to assume that vectors. Let a bar is equal to, passing through the point is given now, that we can take as a bar. So 2i plus 3j plus k and parallel to the vector, that vector we can assume as b bar, 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Here also one important formula we have, dear students. The vector equation of line, passing through a bar and parallel to b bar is r bar equal to a bar plus tb bar, where t belongs to real number. So for writing a bar, b bar and this formula 1 mark and substituting the vectors and write that equation for that 1 mark. This is the way the marks is going to distribute, dear students. So therefore, r bar equal to, in place of a bar, 2i plus 3j plus k plus t into 4i minus 2j plus 3k, where T belongs to R. Even we can write it as from I bar coefficients take it common, j bar coefficients take it common. Like this way you can do that. I bar into here 2, here 4 into T, 4T, 2 plus 4T into I plus j bar into 3 minus 2T plus k bar into 1 plus 3T. So T belongs to R. This is the way we can write it. That's all. We'll move on to the question number 9. Let A bar equal to 2I plus 4j minus 3k, B bar equal to I plus j plus k, and C bar equal to j bar plus 2k bar. Find unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. This type of question is very important, dear students. So first we need to calculate the sum of the vectors. Before going to do that, we need to calculate the sum of these vectors. First, given vectors, A bar equal to 2I plus 4j minus 3k, B bar equal to I plus j plus k, and C bar equal to j plus 2k. So I bar is not there here. Therefore, the sum of these vectors A bar plus B bar plus C bar is equal to 2I plus I, so 3I, 4j plus j, so 6j, 2k plus k, 3k minus 3k, 0. So leave it like this. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar value is 3I plus 6j. There is no k bar here. They are asking the unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. The unit vector, here also formula we have, here only I will mention. The unit vector in the opposite direction, unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar is minus A bar divided by modulus of A bar. So here the vector A bar is not A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So therefore the unit vector in the opposite direction of A bar plus B bar plus C bar is minus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar by modulus of A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So we need to calculate the magnitude of this vector. So magnitude means mod, square root of I bar coefficient whole square, 3 square, 9. J bar coefficient whole square, 6 square, 36. So root 45. Root 45 can be written as 9 into 5. 9 you can take outside, 3 root 5. So that is equal to minus I bar plus A bar plus B bar plus C bar is what? 3I plus 6j by magnitude of that vector is 3 root 5. So 3 take common from the numerator, I plus 2j by 3 root 5. So 3 get cancelled. You will get the required vector is minus of I bar plus 2j by root 5. This is the way you can do that, dear students. Whatever I am keeping in the boxes which will help you learning the formulas indirectly, which is very important. We'll move to the question number 10. In this question number 10, given a bar b bar, then show that a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar are perpendicular to each other. To show the given vectors are perpendicular, the dot product should be equal to 0. So if you prove that the dot product of the respective vectors is 0, then the vector should be perpendicular. So first, given vectors a bar equal to I plus 2j minus 3k and b bar equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. So first they are asking to calculate the sum of the vectors a bar plus b bar. So adding the respective I bar plus 3i bar, 4i bar, 2j bar minus j bar is plus j bar. Next minus 3k plus 2k minus k. Similarly, a bar minus b bar, so I bar minus 3i means minus 2i. 2j minus of minus j, so 2j plus j is 3j. Minus 3k minus 2k minus 5k. So, consider the dot product of these two. Consider a bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar. So vectors first to write it 4i plus j minus k dot minus 2i plus 3j minus 5k. So the dot product of two vectors also we need to know that a bar equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k, b bar equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, then a bar dot b bar equal to a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. So here also 4 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3 plus minus 1 into minus 5. So minus 8 plus 3 minus 5. Sorry, plus 5. So minus 8 plus 8, 0 only. So the dot product of two vectors are 0. So a bar plus b bar dot a bar minus b bar equal to 0. That implies that a bar plus b bar perpendicular to a bar minus b bar. Hence proved, or hence the result. The next question, if p bar equal to 2 and q bar equal to 3 and the angle between p bar and q bar is lambda by 6 is not that, but it is pi by 6, it is a pi. Then find p bar cross q bar. So here given magnitude of the vector mod p bar equal to 2 comma mod q bar equal to 3 and angle between them. So angle between p bar comma q bar equal to, that is equal to theta equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degrees. We know that, or we have a bar cross p bar, here p bar cross q bar, the cross product of two vectors equal to mod p bar into mod q bar into sine of angle between p bar comma q bar. So mod p bar is 2 into mod q bar is 3 into sine 30 degrees. So 2 3s are 6 into sine 30 is 1 by 2, which is equal to 3. So p bar cross q bar is equal to 3. Mod p bar cross q bar equal to mod 3, squaring on both sides. So mod p bar cross q bar is whole square is equal to 3 square is 9. So that's what they are asking. So mod p bar cross q bar whole square is equal to 9. We'll move to the question number 12. The next question number 12. Prove that cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees equal to cot 36 degrees. First you have to consider LHS cos 9 degrees plus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees minus sin 9 degrees is equal to cos 9 degrees take common from the numerator. So 1 plus sin 9 degrees by cos 9 degrees. Similarly, from the denominator, cos 9 degrees take common 1 minus sin 9 degrees divided by cos 9 degrees. So cos 9 degrees get cancelled. 1 plus sin by cos tan 9 degrees by 1 minus tan 9 degrees. It is in the form of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. This should be equal to tan of 45 plus theta. It is in the form of here only I will mention that 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 minus tan theta can be written as tan of 45 plus theta. So here theta, in place of theta what value is there? 9 degrees is there. So tan of 45 degrees plus 9 degrees, that is equal to tan of 14.5 plus 9, 54 degrees. But they are asking to prove in terms of cot na. So tan theta can be written as cot of 90 minus. So can we write like this? Tan of 90 minus 54, how much we have to subtract? 36. So tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta only, no? Cot 36 degrees, which is required RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Once again I will show that this is the very important point, turning point. This is the basic formula. So we'll move to the question number 13. The question number 13 is find the period of the function defined by f of x equal to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus and so on n square x. So first, the given function f of x is equal to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x square plus and so on n square x, that is equal to tan of x take common 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus and so on plus n square. So tan of x into 1 plus 1 can be written as 1 square, 4 can be written as 2 square, plus 3 can be written as 3 square, plus and so on plus n square. This is sum of the squares of first n terms only, no? We know that formula. One square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus and so on plus n square is equal to sigma n square. That is also n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula. So in place of the bracket, tan of x into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So this is about f of x. The period of tan AX is, here also very important point, the period of tan AX is pi by mod A. For this, till here 1 mark. What is A in this? This bracket value is A. Therefore, the period of f of x, the period of f of x is pi by A. A value is what? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So, denominator of denominator it will become a numerator. So, 6 pi by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. This is the required the period of the given function. Let us move to the question number 14. In this question number 14, this is related to hyperbolic trigonometry functions. Is a good question. From this, in 2022, we have 2 plus 4 marks in this. So, given sin hx value, they are asking to find cos h to x and sin h to x. We need to learn the formulas, dear students, from this. So, given sin hx is equal to 3 pi by 4. So, from that we have the inequality. We know that WKT means we know that cos h square x is equal to 1 plus sin h square x. So, from this cos hx is equal to under root of 1 plus sin h square x. So, square root of 1 plus sin h square x means 3 by 4 whole square. So, square root of 1 plus 9 by 16, square root of 16 plus 9 divided by 16, root of 25 by 16, which is equal to 5 by 4. This is cos hx. So, cos hx value we know that, and sin hx value also we know that. So, what they are asking to find? The first question in this, cos h to x. Cos h to x is equal to cos h to x formula. What is the formula for cos h to x? In terms of sin, sin is given now. 1 plus 2 sin h square x. This is the formula for cos h to x. So, 1 plus 2 into sin hx whole square only, no. So, 3 by 4 whole square. 1 plus 2 into 9 by 16. So, 2 ones are 2 8s are. So, 8 LCM, 8 plus 9. So, 17 by 8. This is cos h to x. Similarly, sin h to x. Sin h to x is equal to 2 sin hx cos hx. So, 2 into sin hx value 3 by 4, cos hx value 5 by 4. So, 2 ones are 2 twos are. 5 threes are 15 by 8, 4 twos are 8. Therefore, sin h to x is equal to 15 by 8. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the next question and last question in VSEQs. So, here given that cos hx is equal to secant theta. So, they are asking to prove tan h square x by 2 is equal to tan square theta by 2. So, LHS you have to consider. What is LHS? Tan h square x by 2. So, formula for tan h square x by 2 is cos hx minus 1 divided by cos hx plus 1. Cos hx value is given as what? Secant theta minus 1 by secant theta plus 1. So, secant theta means 1 by cos theta minus 1 by 1 by cos theta plus 1. Take LCM, numerator and denominator. 1 minus cos theta by cos theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta divided by cos theta. Here cos theta get cancelled. 1 minus cos theta, that means 2 sin square theta by 2 by 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Sin square theta by cos square theta by 2 is tan square theta by 2. Therefore, they are asking to prove this is required RHS. Therefore, conclusion, tan h square x by 2 is equal to tan square theta by 2. Hence proved.